Nandito kami sa Alameda City, Lookup, Pangasinan, Froxy Hotel. So, bumaba na kami para sa aming breakfast. Sabi nila 6 a.m. but since it's not open, na ito, nagbi-video-video while we are waiting. I was just wondering bakit hindi pa ready ang kanilang buffet breakfast. Then I asked, sabi nila, wala daw buffet for today. Kaya nag-order na lang kami. It's already 6:10. So, finally, naka-order na kami and syempre, lulutuin pa nila yon. Time check, it's 6:55. Breakfast not here yet. And I already had my 2 cups of coffee while we are waiting. Our tour is at 7 a.m. so I had to adjust the time. 6:57 a.m. Finally, our breakfast is here. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!